Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you a unique and very simple way to build your website and launch it in public homepage. In my last video we have covered how can we build a simple resume or a portfolio website for you using public homepage framework. This is the last website that we have built where we have actually published John Doe's resume or portfolio, and we also saw like how can we connect different links, different social networking websites with this page. Guys, this is actually a working website which is using public homepage framework. You see how simple it looks, okay? And now I will show you the code also, and you can build a very similar website for yourself. It has a quite nice header, very nice picture, few details about the steps, missions. It also has a very nice simple CTA, call to action, or a footer where you have this nice little button to actually go ahead and book your appointments or whatsoever what is available in the contacts page. For a website, what do we need? We need some static pages, few little contents, few pictures, and most important is contacts, right? Public homepage feature actually goes and build that for you, okay? The most important thing here is you don't have to actually use any fancy tool, or you have to use some complex drag and drop tools. Think about like where to put what, right? It actually sometimes irritating, like creating a website itself takes a lot of time just by at least thinking about designing how will I put my content, okay, where my contacts will go, okay, which website or which service platform will I use to host my website, right? How much money will I have to pay? So many things are there. Everything is taken care by public homepage. It's a very simple framework that I have built for you, and you can use it for free right now. Let's see how the code looks like, okay? So if you have not seen my previous video, how did we created a portfolio page, you should go ahead and watch that. That will give you an idea of how will I create this page. If you want to host your website also in public homepage framework, then this is what you have to do, okay? Watch my previous video, or maybe you can continue if you are able to follow this, that's fine. Otherwise, yeah, definitely feel free to reach out to me and I can help you with your need. So yeah, let's go and see this repo. As you see, there are only two files here. One is contacts and another is readme, okay? And in the readme you have the web page, okay? It is little different than how you see here, right? You see, actually it is different, okay? So let's see the code, and this is exactly the code that I have used here, right? And you see, you can actually use a ChatGPT also to write the content for you, not a big deal, okay? And if you want, you can use your own creative words for your website. But yeah, ChatGPT is fine. You can always go and ask ChatGPT to give you content for your web page, put it here and see how it looks. If you can't figure it out, yeah, let me know. Very simple text-based website, you can say, right? It has some pictures, and finally, yeah, ready to get started, okay? Now let's go and see the contacts page, okay? Contacts page. See this, only 3 links are there, okay? Let's go to contacts. Let's see how does it look. You see, right? This website also has a Facebook page, which you'll be adding it here on this Facebook link, okay, in the contacts page. It is actually 3 lines of code in the contacts. Let's see the Facebook page, and now let's go to this place. Yeah, they have the WhatsApp number also, and you can actually go and book a time as well. Fine, let's go back, okay? That's all for today, guys. So we saw how did we build a task tutor and launched in our public homepage framework. If you have a very similar need, definitely reach out to me and I can help you with. Okay, see you again, see you later with a new project, new website, and some new requirements. Okay, till then, bye, take care.